Hi viewers, welcome back to Classic Cookery. I'm Harita. Today I'm going to review wooden spice box. So this particular spice box was handcrafted in Indian rosewood or Sheesham. So I really like the way how they did packing and the shipping in a secured manner. Since it contains like a glass lid, it comes with a glass lid. That is the reason they did it very nice, tight and good packing. It is locking mechanism gives the box a good unique vintage look, and the locks are made by highly quality brass and it would last lifetime actually. And the size of the box is like length and width is 20 centimeters and the height of the box is 5.2 centimeters. The spoon is approximately like 2 centimeters in length and 2 centimeters wide. I felt the scoop should be a little bit more deeper, that way you can scoop it easily. So this box contains 9 individual separate containers inside. All are made with the same rosewood material as of the big box. And the size of the each small portion is like length and width is 5.6 centimeters and the height is 2.5 centimeters. And I would definitely say the glassy finishing gives a great look for our wooden box, and the hinge is very secured in a proper way. I would definitely say it really adds a great value to your kitchen. So a staple commodity of every Indian kitchen. They don't pass the day without using these ingredients of their everyday life. So I really like this masala dani. Masala means spice, dani means like box. So in Hindi we say masala dani. I really like the glassy and finishing look for this each separate portions. They really made it very carefully. They said is handicrafted rosewood. So this spice box you should not clean with water directly. You can just sprinkle. You can just use light damp cloth and just clean it away nicely. Just wipe it away. And you can also polish this wooden box time to time by using natural beeswax polish. Now I am going to fill all the small portions using everyday spices. Like I use these spices almost every day throughout the year whenever I am doing any curry. In fact, every Indian whoever makes curries at home, they will use all these ingredients whatever I am showing here before tempering and sorting the ingredients with onions. So I fill with mustard seeds, the second one, and the third one I'm filling like Bengal grams is called chana dal. So whenever you are going to refill, you can easily keep the box outside for your convenience. Keep the box outside and refill the ingredient and you can keep it back again. And fourth one, I am filling urd dal, also known as black grams. And now I am refilling green cardamoms. You can see here green cardamoms. So they do have different materials and different models and sizes of the wooden boxes available on Amazon. So make sure that before you buying, if you need individual compartments or if you don't want, make sure and you before you order it, because they are attachable and detachable compartments are available. So I'm filling cloves now. Now I'm going to fill bay leaves. So the individual compartments makes you very easy to clean. Whenever you want to clean it or whenever you want to refill, you can put it outside and you can keep it back. So this is a multi-purpose box, so which can be used to store dry fruits or small tea bags or small tea coffee packs. Also you can store it according to your convenience. Black cardamoms. So these cinnamon sticks, black cardamoms, and like bay leaves and cloves. These are all I will use mostly for biryani items. Biryani when I'm making biryanis, and the other four before four and the first four compartments I filled with the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chana dal, and the black grams. Those are the one every day I will use it, and remaining, as I said, I will use whenever I'm making any kind of biryanis. So friends, I really like it, and I really love that wooden spice box made with rosewood. Rosewood is also known as Sheesham wood. So it's a great gift for anyone like friends or relatives, and you can buy yourself. I would say, like, I really enjoyed after buying this, and I'm using once I bought this, I'm using every day. I really enjoying. Thank you for watching my video. So friends, this wooden spice box is like $29.99. Currently it was sale on Amazon. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead and order it right now. And if you like my video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your wonderful time here spending. You guys have a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.